that creates a fixed bight. We take a rope, we create a bight, and by keeping the ropes together, we go to create a overhand or an underhand loop, but the rope has to stay in this position like this. In this case I made an overhand loop, so I'm going to put the bight inside the loop. Check this. You have to be sure that the rope stays in position. Okay, then we pull and the knot is done. It's a very simple knot, but we have to be sure about the dressing. As you can see, in this case, the knot is done, but this piece of rope is over the other one, and it's not so good.